So Jaco, it's pretty clear that we're shooting a battery today. When we build an armored car, we actually protect the battery with an armor plate. But what we want to know today is, will a battery by itself actually protect you? What do you think?
Well, I might have had a preview on these type of shots before, because in some of our vehicles the batteries have been shot, and that's why we're putting armor protection around it. AK47, however, we'll have to see what happens.
But there's a lot of lead in this battery, but when lead meets lead, let's see.
Let's go for it. 3, 2, 1.
So Jaco, I'm excited to find the entry point of the AK47 round here in front of the battery, which is actually quite a small mark. And then when we move around the back, there is no exit wound, which means this battery contained the round of the AK47. Is that what you expected?
Yes, that's more or less what we expected. But what I didn't expect, and what we saw on the high-speed camera, is how the pressure buildup in the battery broke the casing on the top, and the indicator lens has popped out. So will you stand behind this battery?
I would rather be in an SVI armored vehicle, but if I'm driving in a standard car, I might just go and hide behind the battery.